If we go over here and we put in 15 bucks, I'm gonna make $106.49 on this item right here.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows. East side, we ride, we fly way up, no breaks. No breaks. No breaks.
What's up, family? So, hey, how you doing?
How are you?
How you doing? Good. What's up, family? So, today's vlog, thought it would be cool to just see how much I'm gonna make with these random products that I have, that I've had just in my corner of my house. I never got a chance to send them because I've been doing so much stuff, planning for trips and whatnot. And yeah, I just want to see how much I'm gonna actually be making, which is it's a small amount of product, so I don't expect much. Maybe $100 or so. I don't know. Maybe more than that. Hopefully more than that, right? But it doesn't really matter. It's gonna be money that's gonna be profits. So, yeah, I'm gonna see how much we're actually gonna make, right? Here in my car, I got two items that shoot. I got two items here that I found at Walmart. And yeah, I'm just gonna go in here and see how much we're gonna make with these items. You know, retail arbitrage, baby. If all else, look, I'm telling you guys right now, this is the coolest thing though. If all else failed, all your business ideas, everything, right? You can always come back to retail arbitrage. Retail arbitrage is gonna be around until humanity is gone, because at the end of the day, even if, let's say, even if Amazon went out of business, you can still buy and sell stuff. Like, you can still even trade stuff with people, right? Way back in the day, before like there was a currency, we used to trade. You know, like I had tomatoes and somebody else grew corn or cotton. We would trade. So at the end of the day, in a sense, if you think of it like that, which I probably sound crazy right now, but my mind is like way out there. Yeah, if all else fails, I would always go back to retail arbitrage. That's why it's always good to have this in your arcade of making money from home. So let's just go see how much I have in profits. That's just sitting in my corner. Yeah, let's go inside. Let's see, guys. Okay, guys, so I have a piece of paper here with a pen. I'm going to write down the profits on this paper so we can calculate it. I got my app here, and I have my corner of random products. I think there's another product or two in the kitchen that I gotta go grab that I bought like a few days ago. So I'm just gonna make sure I have everything here. But this is my little corner of just random stuff that I've had over the course of, like, you know, a week or two. Like I said, and I don't advise you guys, if you're doing retail arbitrage really heavy, you need to be doing this every single day. Like, this much stuff at the least every single day. Just trying to go out to at least trying to find this much. Some days you're not going to find anything, but make an effort to go out every day to get, you know, at least this, way more if you can. And you start doing that, you do that every day, and that's when you see the big numbers, guys. Like, my account is like very, very dry. There have even been weeks where I didn't even make anything because I haven't been super active like I was at the beginning with my retail arbitrage. Now I keep products in there and flowing. I go out every so often just to make sure I get some inventory, and it's still making me money, guys. It's making me several hundreds of dollars every, you know, couple weeks or so, just off the strength of me going out a little bit and finding the products that I'm finding. So, but if you guys want to see big bangs like $1,000 a week, you want to be doing this every single day, guys, and it's very possible, very easy to do. Now, I'm gonna start debagging these products, and we're gonna see how much I'm gonna make, how much I paid for them. Hopefully the prices are still on them, and then yeah, first I'm gonna go grab some of the products out the kitchen. I think there's one or two, I'm not sure, but let's get to it, guys. Alright, family, so let's start deboxing. We got one product here, 2, 3. Oh, I found this. I found this thing the other day, actually, at the Goodwill, and it is actually brand new for $9. It's gonna make me a cool profit. I forget what the profit is, but we're gonna find out. That's that. I think the receipt is in there. Oh yeah, I remember this guy. Never sent it in yet, but we're gonna send it in today, actually. Yeah, all of these products too, I'm sending in today, guys. So that's why I'm doing this video, because I'm gonna send all this stuff in today. Let's see. Oh yeah, these routers. Remember these, guys? You guys remember those, right? Oh, and I know you guys remember this. I didn't even send it in yet because I wasn't here. I've been traveling and stuff, guys. But here we go. This too. Yeah, that is gonna be a whammy because I'm gonna have to wrap this up really good. So I'll probably show you guys in another video how I'm gonna wrap this up. Just so I don't make this video too long. But and this guy, I don't know if this is being sent. I don't know, but we'll find out. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products, guys. Only 8 products, so I wouldn't even call 8 products a haul. But I know off the top of my head that a couple of these products, like if not those two, maybe just those two, are gonna make me you know, a good bang on my buck. So let's start doing the calculations, guys. I got my app here, so what I'm gonna start off by this product already. I just scanned this one. So if we look at it right here, 100,000 in kitchen, pretty much 114,000, 93 good reviews, which is awesome. The profits are 11 and 6 cents, and I bought it for $2.50, so I'm gonna make a profit of $8.56. Definitely over 100% ROI on this product, which is awesome, and this is brand new. So we're gonna set that over here, and we are going to write down 856. All right, that's the first product, 856. Let's go to these guys right here. I bought them for $6.99 a piece. Woo, $7 a piece, huh? Those got to be doing good numbers if I bought them for $7 a piece. So let's figure that out now. I'm gonna scan it. Just all live for you guys, you know what I mean? So okay, here they go. Alright, brand new, $7 a piece. So just shy of 100% ROI. Alright, it's just shy. I believe these were actually selling for more. Oh, you know what? That's what it was, guys. They're $7, but I remember I bought these on the purple day when it was when the color of the day was purple, and I got them for half off. So I got them for $3.50. I remember buying those half. I believe I bought those half off, but you know, just in case I didn't, because I don't want people to say, "Oh man, no." Well, so I'm just gonna leave it at 7. But I do believe I got them for $3.50 a piece, guys. I do believe I got them for $3.50 a piece. But either way, it's still good profits, right? They're still gonna sell fast. So for this video, for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna say $6.63. Even though I know I got a $9 profit on that, but I'm gonna say $6. I'm gonna say $6.63 times 2, because I have 2 of them, right? So put these to the side. And guys, I'm taking a hit right there, guys, because I do believe I got these half off. The color of the day was purple when I bought them, and I know I got them for $3.50. I got them each half off, but it's okay. I don't even care. You know, it's okay. I'm not trying to show you. You know, I'm not trying to cheat the be like a cheapskate, or that's not the word I'm looking for, or be somebody just like trying to make it look like I'm making more than I am. No, it's not about that, even though I know I'm making more in those, but I don't want it to look like that. So I want it to look like actually I'm making less, because I just want to show you guys, it doesn't really matter. As long as you go out and do it, you're going to be making some good monies. Alright, here we go, guys. We're going to go to do this one next, which is right here. Yep, here we go. Oh man, which one is it? So exquisite. Oh yeah, it is this guy right here. This says used though. I don't, wait, hold up. Sure it's not this one. 10,000 in PC. This one is So that is this one, guys. I already have it saved, as you can see. And what I'm going to do here, and if you guys can see this is just insane. $107, guys, in profits. $107, and here we are right here. I bought this bad boy for $9.99, and I'm going to make pretty much $100 on this. So let's just do $9.99. Now, honestly, guys, this is one of those things that's just like almost too good to be true. Maybe it is, maybe it's not, because I've found products like this. I do this all the time, and I've hit jackpots like this many times, and it just, everything went good and went go. So at the end of the day, I'm somebody that's going to take the risk on it, and I'm going to send it in. Don't be scared when you see a profit item like this. Do not be scared, because this can very much well be just a gold mine that you found, and that's what I think it is in this case. I'm just going to check everything, but yeah, that's what I think it is in this case, and so I'm going to send that in just like that, guys. I mean, look at that. So let's do the math. $97.73. So let's add that right here. That's a big one. $97.73. Was it $97.73? And we're gonna go to the next one, which is, let's do this one right here. Let's do this one right here, guys. Where is the barcode? The barcode's right here. So we're gonna scan this bad boy. Boom. We got this all scanned up. This is brand new as well. And here we are, guys, right here. 13,000 in health and personal care. Great reviews, and I am going to make $26 minus $9.99, so minus $10. So let's just put $10. $16.83. So I'm gonna make $16.83 on this one right here, guys. $16.83. Let's put that $16.83. All right. Okay, family. So last but not least, let's find, here it is. This bad boy here is going to make me, as we can see, it's right here, 35,000 in kitchen. Great reviews, 2,000 reviews, 2,000. Yeah, this is awesome, and this is going to make me $121 as a used item, and I got it for, how much did I get it for? $15, guys. $15. So if we go over here and we put in $15, I'm gonna make $106.49 on this item right here, guys. There we go. 100. Wait, I already forgot. Isn't that bad? That's so bad. I already forgot. 106.49. 106.49. So 106.49. And there we have it, guys. These little bit of products right here. I'm telling you, and that one's gonna be a used one as well. You can only list it as used anyway, and it says discontinued. This says discontinued by manufacturer, which is awesome when you find products like that. That's why that's so awesome, because when you find discontinued by manufacturer, it's usually a good ticket. All right, guys. So now we are going to do the math. Equals $242. Wait, what did I say? Let's go. $242.97. So $242.97 in profits. And like I said, guys, the key word here is hold up, let me write it down. Profits. $242.97 in profits, guys. Right? If I added in what I spent, it'll be way more. But in profits alone for this amount of items, guys, that goes to show you guys what is possible when you do retail arbitrage. And like I said, when I first started doing RA, this is very important for you guys to know. When I first started doing RA, I was going out like obsessively. Keep that in mind, guys. This is why I was hitting numbers like $2,000 in a week. I've even hit $2,000 in a day. in product sales. And the difference was I was going out faithfully every day. I didn't care if I went out two or 3 days in a row and I just didn't find anything. I would still make an effort every single day to bust my behind and go out there and look for products, guys. This is a hustle, but once you get the routine going, once you figure out the stores that are profitable for you, once you figure out you can kind of keep circling those same stores, then it becomes like a robotic system, which is really easy. And then you get to a level of where you make enough money to start trying other things, is in kind of where I'm at now, where I've made so much money off of retail arbitrage that I invested a lot of it into other avenues, and those other avenues are paying me more than retail arbitrage did. So, and that's the goal at the end of the day. And then those other avenues that are paying me even more than retail arbitrage, what I'm going to do with that money is take that money, invest it into something even bigger. You know what I mean? Like maybe real estate, or developing like a program, or developing like an app. You know, because I have an app idea anyways. That's why I said app. But just other businesses, right? You just keep the money working for you. And that's like the end result is just more money. Like when you keep your money working for you, the end result is more money, guys. And that's the only thing that can come out of it. But jumping back to this subject here, if you guys need to know, you know, like I'm gonna send all this stuff in. I'm gonna send all of this stuff into Amazon. And if you guys are new here, you guys seeing this for the first time, and even for those of you that know who I am already and been rocking with me since day one, you guys already know. If you need to know how to send it in, that video I made about 8 months ago or a year ago, I think, it's still relevant. Everything on it is still exactly what you need to do, and that video is in the link in the description, guys. Just read all the links in my description. Read them, because you will see step by step how to send inventory into Amazon. Click that link, watch that video, there you go, right? Everything you need to sell on Amazon, click that link, watch that video, there you go. All right, guys. And many more other links, guys. And for those of you that aren't fam yet, why are you still here watching? Because you're not even fam. We ain't even cool. Nah, but it's cool. You can watch this time, you know what I mean? But hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to get notified when I upload, because you never know when I'm coming and how I'm coming, and you just don't know with me. You just won't. You just won't know. You're never gonna know. So that being said, guys, you already know how I end these things. It is peace and what? Finish it. It's peace and love. You already know. I'm out. All right, guys. Peace and love. We out of here. Let's go. We out. To the next one. Peace.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows.